Good morning. Still morning here, 11 something. So, how are you today? I hope all of you are doing fine. So, for me, we're going to start our Nilam with another story for this week, entitled The Spooky Shallow Cough. Cough means batuk, spooky menakutkan, shallow cetek. So we just go and see the story first. And then the story is written by Ben Rabb and illustrated by Brittany CYK Chick. So basically this is a story written by Ben Rabb. The story author and illustrator is illustrator is Brittany Chick. The story again is The Spooky Shallow Cough. If you can see on the picture, there's a dog and a boy, I think, with a spray and also a roll of toilet paper tissue. Okay, so we just see the book. Let's go. Okay. So this is a note from the writer. Usually sometimes writer write notes, dia tulis ucapan dia, dan dedikasi dia, buku ni untuk siapa, so they will write it and put it inside the book. I heard a noise, a burp, a laugh, perhaps a ghost in hiding, or was it something in my head a sneeze virus was riding? So he heard cough and burp and laughing. Ha 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 ha. So I heard something and I'm trying to figure out. Saya dengar sesuatu and trying to figure out, tengah cari benda semua ni. Okay. They said don't use your own two hands. Always aim for your elbow. I'll do my best to use my sleeve. Good thing my shirt is yellow. So, if you still remember in the beginning, when we have COVID-19 outbreak, orang cakap jangan tangan selepas bersin, tangan tu cepat-cepat basuh. Bila batuk, tahan dengan siku, okay? Yang batuk tengah dekat muka orang. A woof, a buck. What's that you see? My little dog named Scout just walk and naps and poops for you. No spooks come from your snout. So he's dia tengah tengok anjing dia. So anjing dia nama Scout. So dia kata anjing dia ni selalunya walk, jalan, nap, tidur pendek, ataupun poop, buang air besar. So no spook, tak ada benda yang menakutkan pun keluar daripada hidung dia. And what about my dear grandma? She's short and a kind of old. From her we'll stay far, far away. At least for now, I'm told. So maybe the sound come from the grandma. So the grandma is short and kind of old. Dah berumur. Nenek dia rendah dan berumur. So dia kata stay far, far away. Jangan duduk dekat-dekat lah buat masa ni. Walking's cool and dancing's great. Just stay 6 feet apart. Get all your silly willy out. Far enough you can't smell farts. So kita nak berjalan boleh, nak menari pun boleh, tapi kena jarakkan 6 kaki, 1 meter. So nak buat apa pun silly willy, nak buat apa aktiviti, tapi jarak tu cukup jauh supaya maknanya awak tak boleh bau kentut lah kalau ada orang kentut kat awak. Homeschool today, no seeing friends. Just rest and isolation. We'll do our best to still have fun for this at home vacation. So awak dah tak pernah pergi sekolah, belajar daripada rumah, tapi tak dapat jumpa kawan. So rehat, jauhkan diri. So kita cuba seupaya kita untuk berhibur, tapi dalam masa sama dan bercuti di rumah. Be nice to everyone out there, no matter where they are from. In these weird times, we must be kind. Together, we stay calm. So always buat baik dengan orang kat luar. Kita pun tak kisahlah dia orang asal dari mana. So dalam masa yang macam agak pelik ni, kita semua kena bertenang. Okay, stay calm. A quarantine isn't so mean. It's just a cookie. It's meant to keep us nice and safe from cough, shallow and spooky. So quarantine ni sebenarnya bukan untuk menyeksa hidup awak, tapi tujuan dia untuk melindungi awak supaya awak selamat daripada batuk dan benda-benda menakutkan. The end. So actually, if you look at the book, it's about this boy going to a quarantine. So sekarang kita kan dalam zaman pandemik. Okay, awak kena berhati-hati. Tangan tu awak tu pastikan sentiasa basuh tangan. So kalau pun benda ni awak rasa menakutkan, and bila kita dengar ada macam-macam benda yang menyedihkan, ada orang meninggal dunia sebab COVID, tapi sebenarnya apa yang paling penting untuk awak buat sekarang ialah just stay safe, duduk kat rumah dan cuba seupaya untuk lindungi diri awak sendiri dan keluarga awak. Okay, so untuk pengetahuan awak, haiwan pun boleh kena jangkitan COVID, macam anjing semua, kucing. Jadi sebab tu kita kena be careful. Okay, lepas tu saya berhati-hati. Kalau dapat barang, kena sanitize dulu. So walaupun awak rasa tak seronok duduk kat rumah, tak boleh keluar pergi shopping, tak boleh keluar pergi kedai buku, tak boleh keluar pergi kedai semua, tapi kita berdoa supaya keadaan jadi lebih baik. Okay, so buku ni menceritakan tentang keadaan kita sekarang tengah kuarantin. So okay, that's all. So untuk awak tulis record hari ni, perekodan awak. Okay, saya akan tunjuk sekejap kat awak. Okay, so sekejap just stop recording ni dulu.